Notes also here, and also instructional video on accounting. So right now, let's try and deploy a discussion forum based on class activity. So you're going to click on add an activity or resource and click on forum. Are we together? Then of course add, and it's going to ask you to start deploying it. So the forum name will be discussion on budget padding. Discussion on budget padding. Okay. So, and description. So you just say, please ensure you attempt this discussion forum. Okay. Now display description on course page and forum type. What should be forum type? Question and answer forum. Very good. Attachment and word count. We'll say uploads are not allowed, and maximum number of attachments is 0. Okay. And display word count. Yes. Okay. Now subscription and tracking optional. That's we're going to go to first subscription. And now because we're using this discussion forum for assessment, all right, we'll click on ratings, and under aggregate type of rating, we'll click sum of ratings. Sum of ratings will allow you to do online grading for discussion forum. Of course, if you look at the aggregate type, you have no ratings, you have average of ratings, you have count of ratings, maximum ratings, minimum ratings, and sum of ratings. Now it's only sum of ratings that will give you the flexibility of reading what they have posted and scoring it immediately. Are we together?
Yeah. Okay,
sum of rating. Now
sorry, sir, can you
yes.
explain the other ratings?
Yes. In case, for instance, if you want them to do multiple attempts, like maybe severally, of course you can do average of the ratings. You know, you can do count of ratings, how many times you have done it. But basically, it's either you point, then what's the grade that you are attaching to a discussion forum? Let's say 5 or 10. Okay, 10 marks. Now, restrict. This is you have to restrict to a range. So you check this so that you can change the date for every activity, whether discussion forum, whether tutor assignment or computer assessment. There is always a start time and an end time to attempt it. But once they start, you know, just like in quiz, they must finish it. Okay. Now, so start date, which is from 15th of August to what date? Maybe to 20 of August. Okay, so it expires this date, and by let's say 23, that is 11:55 p.m. So it starts now. It closes 28th of August, 11:55 p.m. Okay, that's all you need to do. These are defaults. Just leave them and say save and display, or save and return to course. If you say save and return to course, it goes back to the home page and you can put the question. Save and display, you can put the question immediately. Are you together? Okay, so let me click save and display. Save and display. So you can see discussion on budget padding. Add a new question. Are we together? Add a new question. Subject. Discussion on budget. Please explain the principle behind post to forum. Are we there? Okay. So this has been posted to forum. Okay, so of course this is what it shows. Now student replies. Okay. So this is a reply. Now, so once the reply is done, you can grade because there's no reply right now. So that's why I can't. Once the reply is done, you can just click on the drop down button and assign the right grade. Okay, so that's for discussion forum. So let's go back to the home page.
Sir, I really have a hypothetical.
Yes.